What's up, guys? Welcome to Easy Forex Funds and welcome to the channel. Make sure to subscribe and hopefully you guys are ready for this video. So before we go ahead and get started, everyone make sure to take a look at our link tree, linktr.ee/easyforexfunds. This is where you can find the links to all our channels, Discord server, we got a prop firm service coming soon, and free analysis group. Anyways, let's get down to it. So today we're going to be talking about how you can do your long-term analysis on a monthly time frame like an ICT trader. So first thing that you got to do to define your monthly bias, you need to refer to the possibility of a seasonal tendency, right? So this is a seasonal tendency. The blue line is the 23-year seasonal tendency for DXY. We can see January, it comes up, makes a high, then comes down, and then continues. So January seasonality is bullish, right? The next thing we need to do is have the anticipation of a quarterly shift. So we go ahead and look at the last 18 months of price action. We see price has just been bullish, continuously going up and up and up. So we're going to anticipate a quarterly shift to possibly continue up from a discount array. All right, the next thing we need to do is look at the interest rates. You can go ahead and look at the interest rates on investing.com/central-banks. And under World Central Banks, you'll find the interest rates. We can see the Federal Reserve interest rate is 4.50%, which is really high. So that supports our bullish bias, is a very high interest rate. We see the next meeting is February 1st, 2023. And the last change was December 14th, 2022. So we're going to determine the current market profile. So the current market profile is bullish. So we should look for continuation trades from discount arrays. So we can also look at correlated markets. If you look at EU, I won't pull up the chart on here because that will be for a separate video. But if you look at EU, Euro USD, we can see it's like directly, well, more like inversely correlated with DXY. So it's doing the opposite. So the next thing you got to do is select the portion of market structure to trade in. So I went and selected this range from the close of this order block to this swing high. So this is the range that I'm going to frame my long-term analysis in. And then I define the PD arrays within this range. As you can see, these are all the names of my PD arrays within this range. And I rounded them to key price levels, which are institutional numbers that end in 5, 0, or 10. So I found the PD arrays, and then I rounded them to institutional level numbers near the PD arrays. We also have this volume imbalance. And we go ahead and look at the PD arrays within this range. We can see we have the monthly plus OB wick, so the wick of this order block. We have the monthly plus OB open, so the open of this order block. We have the monthly plus rejection block, which is the institutional liquidity POI, when it takes out the institutional liquidity of these candles and comes into the rejection blocks and then rejects off. And then we have the monthly plus OB close, which is also an old weekly low on the weekly time frame. Then we have the monthly plus FVG close, because this is the fair value gap that's under the range. And then we also have the monthly minus FVG open. So we have this bearish fair value gap, and we have the monthly minus FVG close, which is the close of the fair value gap. And our premium array, our last one, is this old monthly high up here, which is also buy side liquidity. And then we can look at a range. The green is discount, the red is premium. So we define the PD arrays and we rounded them to institutional level numbers ending in 5, 0, or 10. And then after we do all of this, we can finally arrive at our directional based analysis on the monthly time frame. And this also can get transposed to the weekly time frame. So guys, this is how you do your long-term monthly analysis like ICT and as an ICT trader. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to put them down below. Also, once again, before I leave, make sure to check out our link tree and to find all the links to our separate channels and such. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys learned something good from this, and be safe and good luck trading.